Hey guys, my name is Albert with American Van Works, where we're located in Stanton, California. So here we are with SoundSkins products again. We're gonna start and finish a product today. This is probably one of the best products you're gonna install and use in your van or vehicle. So we're gonna install this new kit that came out. This is for a 2019 Sprinter, so it's all custom, pre-cut. So we'll see how it goes. So here we go, we're gonna open up this new kit. This is the first time we're gonna install it. For the most part, we usually cut out all our pieces, so we're gonna go ahead and test it, open it, and install it. So I think this is a great product at the end of the day. I think anybody could easily install this. It's really easy to install. This rattle blade just kind of run through the lines, nothing hard. I mean, within a matter of an hour, 2 hours, you'll be ready to install this whole kit. So definitely it makes a big difference from getting the roll and actually laying it out, cutting it yourself, making patterns. I'd probably imagine you'd probably save a lot of time. With this install kit, you'd probably be taking about an hour to 2 hours. And definitely you probably easy about another hour or so if you were to cut it out yourself and try to figure out the pattern. So definitely I really recommend it. So buy the product.